So yes, challenge of BEL accepted and welcome to free master plan video for your BEL Engineer Trainee Exam 2022. In this video, we are going to discuss that now we are starting our free master plan. So definitely all the details regarding this I will give you in this video. Before going to the main video, form last date is 4th October. Just fill your form properly. In the morning only I upload the phase 2 strategy video. Okay, just watch that video carefully. Also success pack is available for those students those who want to seriously crack this exam. Now let's start the video. So far, right? So when notification was released, we set a target, we set a goal to get into the top 10% in your vacancy of your branch, right? We have started our preparation with phase 1, and in phase 1 I quoted some subject or topics to you guys, and now the phase 1 is over, right? We are moving to phase 2. Already moved in the morning only I uploaded the video of phase 2. Those who are in phase 1, okay, just try to complete quickly the phase 1 subjects and then you can move to phase 2. Do not skip phase 1, that is most important thing, right? And those who completed at least 70 to 80% of phase 1, congratulations to all, you already beat lots of candidate, okay? And I am telling you this thing. So keep continue your preparation, okay, like that. Just try to finish everything on time, with proper time and with properly. No need to hurry in everything, okay? Definitely time is less, I know everything, but we need to do the things properly, at least those things which have the weightage of, or I can say which have maximum weightage in your exam, okay? In that all the things we need to do, right? The further subject which is left over, we will deal with it, no need to worry for that, but the starting is very important, right? Now in between these phases we are introducing our next step, that is your free master plan, which is most important thing, okay? Now how to use this free master plan, and before that what is the purpose of free master plan, that is the important discussion. So let's start this. So after completing your phase 1, now two challenges will be there, right? That is phase 1 revision plus phase 2 subject completion, okay? I will use for you how, with our free master plan batch, right? Now what we will do, basically those topics or subject you covered in your phase 1, okay, that revision, important purpose of master plan is your revision point, right? So that thing you can revise properly with the help of free master plan test. So no need for any other thing, because whatever questions I will include in this, okay, that will be purely on latest trend, or I can say they can means high weightage will be there, or high expectancy is there in your BEL exam, okay? So only those questions you will practice now. I can say quality questions you will practice in your free master plan, and with this quality question practice your revision will automatically start it, right? This is the first purpose. So for revision nothing is required now, okay? And in this free master plan basically we are taking non-technical subjects, which is common for all the engineers for all the 150 posts of BEL exam, right? Second thing, now this will definitely induce a new habit in you if you don't have, that will be discipline, okay? And you know the power of discipline, because this will not only help you in this competitive world, but after this competitive exam whenever you will get selected, okay, there is different world is there, and in that world this thing is required. So definitely from free master plan you will get this thing, okay? And how? So in the further video I will explain you this. Next thing, now obviously for concept building, okay, you practice the questions, you make your concept strong. Now practice, it's time to practice the question with little bit timer, okay? We will not focusing on timer for now because we are in early stage, okay? And this will be your free master plan phase 1. So for the next 15 days I am going to implement this thing, and after 15 days again the separate video will be there about your free master plan phase 2, right? So just wait for that. But till now for this 15 days what is important, that is this, whatever things we are doing, okay, these are the important things. So practice with timer is also very important point. So this thing you will do from free master plan. And the important thing, which is the master purpose of free master plan, is to induce the habit of self study in you guys, because you know you will only get selection in competitive exam or in any exam whenever you will do self study, because definitely it is not easy task, okay? As you can see the loss of distraction is in surrounding, as there are someone who are teaching top 20 top 30 question, there are someone who are taking marathons and everything, okay? All these are just bullshit, no need to worry for that, okay? Don't put your extra effort in that, because those who are making those videos, they are earning views from you guys, okay? And obviously views means directly earning. So they are making the video, okay, for their own purpose. And what you are doing, you are wasting your time, because see, definitely one thing is there, okay, just watching top 20 videos. I'm just watching here, yeah, so person is solving, okay, the question, I am getting satisfaction. So this is your comfort zone, okay, and until and unless you will get out of this comfort zone, you will not secure any of the job, and this thing I can guarantee you. So I want that you should start self study, okay, at whenever you will take pen in your hand, you will solve the question by yourself, by just analyzing, by just recalling the concept. That is the computer exam preparation, okay, which is expected from you guys. And definitely the challenge of BEL. What is challenge of BEL? That in 150 minutes we need to attempt 240 questions. So definitely this is challenging. Definitely this thing you can achieve with your free master plan, okay. This is also one of the goal I can say, or purpose I can say, of free master plan. So just focus on self study, okay, nothing else will secure you a seat. So what number of subject and what subjects now I will take in free master plan? So first is aptitude. Some portion is there of aptitude, definitely we can't ignore that, because that is also most important portion out of your 50 marks, right? So that's why first is aptitude, second is reasoning, then third is English, fourth will be GK. In GK, general studies, right? Now in phase wise strategy video, okay, those who miss any of the video, in the comment section you will get the playlist. So just watch that playlist carefully, very important. And also join our Telegram channel, so that any update regarding BEL I can give you quickly on our Telegram channel. Plus Telegram PDF daily practice is most important, right? So just follow that. Next is last, that is your GK current affairs, okay. So these 5 subjects will be there in your free master plan. So total whole 120 marks and 120 questions we will get cover properly with quality content, okay, or I can say quality questions, which is required for your BEL exam, okay. Now, so I hope the subjects are clear, right? Now the schedule, what is schedule of this, okay. So your free master plan test will be available from Monday to Friday, and we are starting from today, okay. Approximately at 10 p.m. I will upload your first test of today. So quickly you can join, okay, after this video. So Monday to Friday there will be test. Again the sequence for this 15 days will be same. Aptitude, reasoning, okay, Monday aptitude, Tuesday reasoning, right leg, Wednesday English, then Thursday GK studies, general studies, and your Friday GK current affairs, right? Now the most important thing. See what happens basically whenever you will get test, okay, and there is no deadline. So what you will do, you will attempt that test in last days of exam, means whenever you have 10 days 15 days of exam, okay, then you will attempt that thing. Already I explore, or that thing I already experienced, right? That's why I'm doing this. So definitely there is no discipline in this. So what I am going to do now, I will just live this test for only 24 hours, okay. So it will be available for only 24 hours. Within 24 hours you need to give this test compulsory, if you are very serious for BEL exam, and if you want offer letter of BEL in the 2023 start in your hand, if you want, okay, then just follow this guideline religiously. That is most important, okay. So with this habit, definitely what I told you, that in the one of the video also I told you that whenever you are not feeling well, or whenever you feel like today I can't study, so 4 important things, okay, daily Telegram PDF practice, plus free master plan test practice, plus your Q box, and plus your maxim box, okay. These 4 things are mandatory, and these 4 habits you should compulsory do in your daily routine. And then you can take some rest, you can watch movies, you can go out, okay, anything you can do. But there should be no 0 day. What is 0 day? Means at this day you are doing nothing, okay, you are doing 0 study. This thing should not happen, okay. If you want break, then at least these 4 things compulsory you will do, okay, and then you can just be relaxed, because obviously it is the process, it is a journey. It is not like every day you will study for 14 hours, 16 hours, 18 hours, okay. Those who will top in BEL exam, they are also not going through this, okay. So it is not practical, and also you should not focus on these things, okay. These days I watch many, means YouTube recommend me many videos, okay, how I study 22 hours for a day, how I study 18 hours for a day, okay. That is just a game of one day. We need to sustain the preparation, okay, till 31st of October we need to do the preparation, okay. Tomorrow suppose you started study and you do your study for 18 hours, then obviously the next day you will take complete rest, and that is not practical strategy. Just whatever your capacity, according to your capacity, according to your syllabus completion, okay, little bit you can push yourself. Definitely we need to push ourselves. Without that we can't get anything in our life, right? So that's why what I told you, the secret hack I can say, that these 4 habits are compulsory, and then you can just free for a day, okay, only for a day. So I hope now you got the thing that how you will get discipline. One of the student was there in our HL. Okay, actually one interview he is giving, and after interview at approximately 8 or 8:30 p.m. because your free master plan test deadline was 10 p.m. He gave that test on station because he was very serious for HL. Okay, and yes, he got selected in HL. That is the big thing. So such dedicated people are there, and what is the purpose to tell you guys that some people are there with this dedication. Okay, and that's why he is working now in HL with 15 lakh CTC in hand. Okay, so important thing is that this dedication I required, and I am searching for among you guys, and definitely those who will show, they will make it and they will get the offer letter. There is no problem in it. Okay, so just religiously you will follow our Monday to Friday free master plan like this only for 24 hours. Now the main important thing, how to join this batch, right? See, now one thing, in the comment section you can see one batch code is there, right? Below that you can see application link is there. Basically this test you can give on web also. Okay, our website is there, web.apnagovernmentjob.com. there also you can give this test, no problem in that. What you will do, download the application. Okay, sign up, do registration. Then this is your mobile screen. Here you can see batches. Okay, just click on that. Here you can see then plus icon. Just click on this plus icon and it will then show you that enter the batch code. So whatever batch code I am giving you in this comment section of video, just you need to enter that batch code, and that's it. Your request will be accepted by our team, and team will approve you in the batch. Okay, now there is registration. So obviously this is the free registration. Free master plan is there, so registration is also free. There is no problem in that. So what you need to do, you need to give your photo and plus your bail application form. Okay, these two things are required, or admit card also, but till the date we don't have admit card, that's why bail application form we required, right? So these are the two things which you need to give to the team whenever they will message you. Okay, you are participation, or you can't, it is not like that once you submit this, okay, then only you can join. Directly you can join after some time. They will message you, and just you need to upload the photograph and bail application form, right? So these are the simple steps to do the registration, and this registration is for our selection banner basically, because lots of students are there, those who don't have gratitude in there. Okay, I feel sad whenever I think about this, because whenever someone is giving you something, okay, someone is giving you platform, someone is giving you their time, the whole team, the everything, daily telegram, free PDF, free master plan. Okay, at least you should have gratitude in your life. Definitely this is a very small portion of life. If you don't show gratitude here, then someone else, definitely it will be difficult for you guys. Okay, so only because of that reason this is mandatory now for our free master plan. Okay, that's it. Your whole data will remain private. Okay, privacy will be maintained. There is no problem in your data. I don't want your data. I just want selection from you guys, and I hope that you will give me the selection, right? So yeah, I hope that everything is clear about our free master plan. If you have any query, any doubt, then just inside of batch you can see chat option. Okay, you can chat with me also if you feel any problem, if you difficulty, whenever I will get time, because lots of messages I received these days. Okay, as you can see, the number of subscribers, the number of students are connecting so fast, so now they are messaging everywhere on this. Okay, I am trying my best to the reply, and because of this, so I introduce your Sunday live. So if suppose your message I missed, okay, then you can just connect to me on Sunday live. Every Sunday live, 1-to-1 I will chat with you, and I will try to resolve your query, right? So this is all about your free master plan. Now just get ready, because phase 2 is available, free master plan is there, and success pack is also there. Okay, lots of students who got selected in PSU and central government, they follow this model, and now it's your time to follow this religiously. And just whenever you will feel any doubt, any difficulty, I am there with you guys. Okay, just your target should be top 10% in your vacancy. Don't forget this target. Okay, and also just share this video to all your friends, those who are seriously preparing for bail exam. Also do like this video, because it is very important, and I will meet you in the next video, that is phase 3 strategy. Till then, just keep preparing, and if you have any query, any doubt regarding anything, then you can comment down below. All the best.